Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing the scope. Open the document and press Ctrl plus F to find numbers fast. This saves time. Once done, click the arrow and choose Advanced Find or Replace so you can access special options. Make sure to enable use wildcards if you plan to match patterns like 4-digit years or phone numbers, because wildcards let you target digits precisely. You are setting up control, not guessing. This first step reduces mistakes and prepares you for targeted removal. Now you move into execution. Press Ctrl plus H to open Replace and enter a wildcard pattern like 0-91 to match any contiguous digits. If you only want years, use 0-94 to anchor 4-digit matches. This prevents removing numbers inside words. Once your pattern is set, click Find Next, then Replace to step through examples, or use Replace All if you are confident. Doing a few manual replaces first teaches you why certain patterns catch unintended text. To finish, verify the document by scanning headings, tables, and equations. Make sure important numeric formats were not lost. If something went wrong, press Ctrl plus Z to undo immediately or restore a saved version from version history. This protects your work. If you notice overreach, refine the wildcard. Add boundaries or punctuation constraints so letters attached to numbers remain intact. Finally, for mixed alphanumeric tokens, handle them manually. You will avoid breaking codes or form numbers that must stay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.